Hey guys, so the absolute last chapter we're going to be talking about in construction methods is labor enhanced construction, or LEC. So the introduction to that is, in this chapter we will be looking at some of the general issues related to construction methods in South Africa and to the application of LEC, or labor enhanced construction, in the South African context. South Africa is a blend of developed and developing country. It's not just a developing country. A lot of times people say South Africa is a developing country. It is a bit of a blend of both, a developed and a developing country. With a range of cultural societies joined together or influenced in some way by unemployment or poverty. Even if you're the richest guy in South Africa, poverty influences you by the value of the rand. Understand? So everyone is influenced by poverty and unemployment. There is therefore a need to create employment opportunities in South Africa and at the same time develop entrepreneurial skills of the population. So what are the objectives of LEC? It is to maximize the use of LEC systems within public work programs, to contribute to employment creation, to lead to growth, stability, and viability of construction industries, to meet the needs, which is meet social infrastructure needs of the people of South Africa, and to ensure social infrastructure is equitably distributed and accessible. The technical feasibility of LEC, so whether you can actually do it or not. Certain areas of constructions are better suited to LEC than others. Feasibility is also related to the size of your project and the speed of construction that is required. A major drawback to LEC is the time necessary to carry out the initial technical studies, the time taken to train staff, and to set up a competent organization. The national approach processes to labor enhanced construction in South Africa. Historically, there have been two approaches to LEC. You have the short-term approach, which is used to stimulate employment levels. This is usually to alleviate poverty where no alternative employment methods are existing. The other approach is where labor has been employed, mainly casual labor, as a realistic and economic alternative to machine-based methods. It's not just to employ people, but it's actually to work better than machines. In South Africa, some projects also aim to provide locals, the people living in the area, with necessary skills to become entrepreneurs. LEC is assessed on a number of factors: the organization, the performance, the suitability, the productivity, the equality, the job design, and a few other things as well, which you will find on those pages. That's LEC, that is construction methods.